Hello, dear kids. Today we will draw a very cute and funny cartoon character, Darwin. Let's start. First, draw Darwin's face. Now draw his arms. They should look like the letter S. Next, draw a big smiling mouse. And inside the mouse, draw his tongue. Darwin is always happy. Now, draw two big round eyes on his face. Inside each eye, draw a small black circle. This is a pupil. On top of the eyes, draw two small eyelashes. And above that, draw two eyebrows. Now draw two thin legs going straight down. Below the legs, draw his socks. Now make all the lines bold with a black marker. Wow! The drawing looks even better now. Let's color Darwin and make him look more amazing. Orange color. First, color Darwin's head and body with orange.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Red color. Now fill his smiling mouth with red.
The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
And color his tongue to red or pink.
He buzzed round the clock. The clock struck
Green color. Next, color his socks with green.
tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow color. And finally, add some yellow in the socks too. Wow, kids! That's amazing! Darwin cartoon is ready.